What is up, people? Ice cream for breakfast is not a lie. I've got it right here. Since I had 2 ice creams from last night, I got to take care of one of them, you know? Yum. Yum. What kind of ice cream? Well, there's somebody who was not on last night's stream when we presented the vanilla ice cream saga. I'm sorry you missed it, but it was a whole thing. The VOD has been deleted because the vanilla ice cream saga cannot just be witnessed by anyone. Was the vanilla ice cream saga too spicy? No. We were just talking about COVID at one point, you know. You know how it is. Arabic Uncle, that is also true. Arabic Uncle was part of last night's stream. Yum, yum. So, last night, I'm going to want some golden monkey soon, but it is not yet time. Last night, we were working on wizard teleport swapping and the transaction conflict that occurs at times such as this. Boom. See that? That was some bullshit right there. And so step one is, hey, look, we're making these teleport particles if the transaction conflicts. And then we're trying again later in time, and then it's succeeding, and so we make the particles again, right? That's that's bad. So we want to first fix that. Then we want the transaction to be able to succeed earlier. But even if we do that, there are genuine cases in the game where the transaction would just not succeed. They could be probably more complicated situations than this, but they do exist. And in those cases, we don't want teleport effects to happen. We don't want teleport effects to happen unless you teleport. How hard is that to understand? Okay? Jeez. So I kind of don't know where these actually are happening even. So maybe we'll just set a breakpoint in spawn particle group at. Oh, that's not even in this file, is it? Make wizard teleport emitters. Look, I just happened to end there. Okay. Spoop. Spawn particle group at. Okay. Move individual guy. This is not where this should be happening. Okay, all this shit should not be happening here. All this sound stuff, all this graphic stuff. All right, and also, I don't like the way the sound stuff is formatted. So I'm going to passive aggressively. Oh, except the sounds are fine. The sounds are going into the transaction. So they're fine, even though I don't. We could put them here. I just, you know, if you use brackets for one clause of the if, you use them for all. Right? Right? Okay. Okay. If it's a monster, okay. This is nothing to do with what I was going to work. Well, it's not nothing to do with, but you know. Okay. Cool. Now, so because that's going on the transaction, it'll get cleared out if the transaction doesn't happen. This is the problem. Let me look. We have sound events, we have animation events. I could just make one called teleport events. That said, I mean, the thing is, there is enough information in the transaction to reconstruct this, that this thing is happening. So maybe we just do it that way. We could do it on when we close the transaction, which means we're not going to modify it anymore. We could just do this. Oh, no, we can't. Oh, she's. Oh, she's. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. This is lazy. This is lazy. But it's also general. You know what programmers say when they go to programming school? Is like, you should do the general solution that works for things. You know? It might be lazy, but we don't say that. We say general. We say it's so amazing. It's the best thing anyone could have ever done. That's what we say. Yeah, so the problem is we make a number of particle emitters, like one for each segment right now of the, because you could teleport and like ricochet robot off stuff. And then there's this fucking clones that we make. Oh my God. This is a disaster. Okay. Hopefully we have that for animation messages. Okay, so the thing I'm going to do is okay. So I'm going to make this function called entity created, which does the following. Okay. Now, when we go make segment particles, that's going to go into a transaction because at the bottom level, it's all going to put things in here. So this is going to be dragon breathing probably. That doesn't happen during a transaction. Okay, we're doing a lot of things at once here. I think we get auto deref on segment. Okay, where is... It's in effects. Also, this is in effects. Okay. I have some spaces here because this used to line up for some reason. Now, so you have make segment particles, make Wizardo. Okay. I'm pretty sure we forgot some arguments somewhere. Oh, I forgot a comma somewhere. Like literally right here. And figuratively right here. Now, spawn particle group at. I didn't put it there. Where is that? Particles. That's a reasonable place for it to be. Now, this is going to be annoying. Okay. Okay. So, what did we call it? Entity created? Entity created. Okay. Okay. What is entity created? Well, that's easy. Easy clap. Now, we're not actually using any of this information yet. So we still have the same problem, but let's go make the same problem. Let's go make the same problem. Boop. See? Still the same. Okay. But now is the moment you've all been waiting for. So I want to make sure nobody calls this for weird. Oh my God, a lot of people call it. But that's fine. I think most of these are warranted. All right. So this is a falling loop. All right. If t dot created entities do I have Does a transaction need to be sent from the overloaded spawn particles at function? I don't understand what you are asking. Hey, look. It worked. Okay, so I think we run at least some of a Benny test. Oh, my laptop rebooted overnight. That's great. That's why it was turned on. What a great idea. Thanks, Microsoft. That really helped me. We're just gonna run this for a bit. Oh, tests are set to go at a leisurely speed. Let's change that. Let's multiply it by 50, please. Okay, why isn't... Oh, look, it just crashed. It literally just crashed. Let's find out why. Is it because revert transaction gets called from more than one place? Is it because for some other reason entities are getting deleted and I am double deleting them? I don't think so, because then we shouldn't find them in find. Okay, that's a breakpoint. We don't need that. Oh. Literally and figuratively. Okay, that's what you meant. Yes, okay. The purpose of this overload is to call the other overload. If we don't do that, then we don't know how to program, basically. That's what somebody in chat meant. They meant, hey, are you doing the wrong thing? And I was like, no, man, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going to get some golden monkey queued up as soon as we start the Benny test, because I'm going to have faith that it will run for more than one level this time. Maybe that's not true. But maybe it is. Boom. All right, I'll go start some water boiling. Look, we got through multiple levels. Bro. Still going. We're still going. You know what we could do as a little break too? We could let this go all the way to the end. Although for some reason it would be faster on the laptop, but we could do that. And then we could see what the fails are now, and we could just re-record a couple just to do that. You know? Okay. That is clearly incorrect. Here's another test that's taken a long time. Maybe the water is almost done boiling. What is taking so? Skipping stones. Skipping stones. Also obviously wrong. Probably. All right, let me check that water. Okay. This is very special water from Water, Washington. Is it Freedom Water? No, I burned my Freedom Water. We're just waiting for this to crank through. Boom. We're up to 486. We have an Intel-based 486 computer now. We have a 486-33. Dude, That is so not a conversation with me. It's sad. Oh my God. Somebody fire ChatGPT. ChatGPT is fired. $546. We have an Intel-based 546. Oh, here we go. 586. 586. $46 fails. Okay, 47 fails. Hitman code 47. Oh, 48. Never mind. Hitman code 48. Let's do a couple. We'll do a couple quickies. Okay, failed. Look at that. It fits on one screen again. Wait, in a Flash 2? Didn't we just record this one? Did we not? Literally just record this one. Oops. Hey, look, I wasn't recording. Easy clap. Easy clap. Okay. Oops. Let's copy this out so we can edit. Indirect skip. Oh, this level. let's see. Boop. That's not what we wanted. That's a little, the timing on that is, let's just say, a little dicey. Okay. Then, pass that down there. Pass that over there. And then, boom. Okay, indirect skip 3. Oh boy. So I need to get 2 dudes down there is the problem. Wait. Why? Oh, because we can't. We can't ever push the stone south. Well, we can. But it takes some tricks. Silly rabbit. Tricks are for kids. Dude, the timing. Zach, why do you fucking do this? Zach. The time, did you see how fast that went? Zach is just a program. Let's try to do it at this speed. Oops. Okay, I could have done it if I hadn't messed up. Dude, it's like literally barely possible. Okay, dude, it's fucking unacceptable on timing. Increased speed of stone, but now the normal solution feels a little racy. I see. Okay. This is actually okay. I'm going to record this for now, just to have a fixed recording, but yes. So we were talking about how run speed is a little too fast sometimes and uncontrollable by the level designer. So that's a thing we maybe could fix tonight. Okay. It feels a little racy. It feels incredibly racy. Let's just try. turning it down a little. Time per skip, 0.12. So at least make it that. Let's see if we feel like we could race the stone. Oops. Okay, so we have to get this off the wall. Can we race the stone? Yes. Okay. Track and field. Oh, my tea is still steeping, by the way. Let's take care of that. Remember those fine arcade games like Track and Field and Hyper Sports? Now my problem is, if I reduce the run speed globally, I might break more frickin' tests. Is it a problem if the player is fast enough to do the cheaty solution? Yes, it is. It's a huge problem. It means your game has no integrity, and you will die alone, never having loved. Oh my God, this is so strong. We need to put some cinnamon honey in there stat and some milk. You don't want to die alone without ever knowing it's your birthday. Okay, here's the thing. I'm going to punt this because I do think it's important to settle this matter soon, possibly even as soon as tonight. But I want to do it when I'm only working on that and I have a clear view of like, here's what tests are broken beforehand, here's how many new ones broke, etc., right? Okay, so we're just going to record this as it is. Okay. And we'll do it on the slow speed. Look, I can barely do it even at the slow speed. Okay. Oops. Shh, boop de whoop. Okay. Indirect skip 3 gone. On the rocks. What is this? Oh. Okay. Right. I did solve this at some point. So we need to sync these guys. For example. But this guy can't really ever go down, so he needs... He needs to sync his situation on this level. And like, why can't we go right? It's like we're guarding that lower right corner. Oh, because if you could drop a level down there, that would be Jeej. There we go. See that? There's something going on with the third fence. Guys, it's just graphics. The game's not done. Okay? The video game is not complete. I don't think it's Z-buffering. I think it's aliasing in the outline thing. Okay, so I've got these. That seems like a thing. Now I could sync this. Let me give myself more time on it. Okay, there we go. See that? Well, I don't know if I wanted to do that. It's pretty funny, though. See, if I had swapped which stone was which, this would be a win condition. But I don't think all 3 stones start above, right? Only 2 of them do? That is correct. So I can't ever have stone 3 be the one that's up there. Oh, but you know what? This is fine. This is easy clap from here. We just do this. Okay. This is a wacky level. Oh, I missed. Let's try again. Boop. That's a little too fast, if I'm being honest. I think we should change the dimensions of the level a little bit. I am going to edit this level. I am making the executive decision, starring Harrison Ford. That we need laxer timing. Edited on the rocks slightly to make the top pool less, to make the top pool narrower to create more laxity in timing. I still haven't started drinking my golden monkey tea with milk. Let's make that happen. Yeah, okay. So what I was going to do is just the following. And in fact, while we're at it, let's just make the level a little prettier. Oh, well, first we got to merge Holio. Merge Holio, and then, you know, like it doesn't take much. Just, you know, bro. We'll merge Holio those. See, isn't it just nicer now? We're going to shrink this whole top of the level. Top of the morning to you, sir. Okay. So now we have like extra. Also, these are the same size. See how this pool is taller than that pool? All right. Here we go. So that just gives us one extra square, which honestly is not that much. Maybe I should have done more. Yeah, see there, I waited too long. Like, I literally have to go right away. Let's see if I slow down time. then I can do it too soon. Barely. Yeah, if I like pre-buffer the moves. And the thing is, adjusting stone timing, which is what I usually do, doesn't help that much. We could try tweaking it a little bit. It doesn't really help that much because the problem, you know, like it's stone skip versus stone skip, so it just takes more time. Yeah, like that's not, doesn't make much of a difference, although let's see. Okay, actually, that's much more chill, actually. Can you try pushing the skipping stone from the left? You'll have more time that way. Why do you think I'll have more time that way? Explain that, please. Oh, you mean over there. You mean put the, okay. No, you know what? That's a good point. That is a good point. You mean this. If I were not taught how to play puzzle games by Cornholio, I would have thought of that. Yeah, this is more time. This is more time, for sure. That's a better way to do it. Yeah, the reason I was thinking about that spot is because that's where you want to stand for this one. But you're right that... Ooh, that was wacky. Lol. That probably shouldn't happen, but... Wow, this timing is hard to hit now. There we go. If we can Cornholio time. And then from here we just do this and that and this. Which is kind of anticlimactic, honestly. Dude, I've given people level design credits before. That is definitely a thing. Just the other day we did it. Just the other day. All right. Let's just record this for now. That was not right. That was not right. No, that was really not right. Still late. That was early. Hard to hit this timing here. Bro. Bro. There we go. What a great recording this is going to be. Nailed that one, though. Nailed it! I'm not sure if this is intended. Oh, anyway. Cool. Cool. Which one was that? Nice. On the rocks. On the rocks. Outrun, I think, is one of mine. No. Oh, that's one of Zach's. Okay. Named after classic arcade game Super Mario Brothers. It's a me, Super Mario Brothers. So I'm going to do this. I forget the trick. So we push the stone. I mean, obviously you put the lotion in the basket, right? Like that goes without saying. Actually, last time I played this, it had an exploit. I remember that. Okay, so it's something about you want to push the stone. And you want to get to the bottom of everything, right? So like we do this. I don't remember what the other stone's for, but we'll figure that out in a second. We do this, right? And we can go shoop de whoop. Okay. And then, oh, yeah. If well, I mean, so the thing is we could do this, right? To get it off our head. Now. Okay, so I feel like in my heart, what I want to do is this. I kind of don't know if this is the intended solution again. Okay, but if I do this, that lets me be a total cornholio. Like, it's not even funny. All right. So I do this. Okay. I goofed on that one, but there we go. Okay, so now the problem is, oh, how do I get it? Maybe getting it off my head is not the thing. Because now we have the final mystery. And this stone can never get to this side of this wall. Okay, so I don't want to do this. I want to have the stone on my head, but I want to come over here. And I actually want to go like that. So, like, I don't need that stone at all. I don't need no stone. I just need this. Okay. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go. Oh, wait. I forgot. Oh, because that. Right. Okay, well, maybe. Oh, yeah, that might be too hard. It really. Oh no, because I do that with the stone? Okay, this just seems, to be honest, broken. But we'll see. I'm just going to throw this in there. I don't care. I'm going to push that. I'm going to push that. Okay? I'm going to use the stone as the blocker. And I'm going to do this. And I'm going to go, my name is Cornholio, like that. Okay? And then now, I just go shoop de whoop. Oh, okay. Yeah, I had to put it not in the water, guys. Thanks. Thanks for telling me. Or, I mean, in the water is fine, but there, I had to put it there, okay? And then I come over here. Oops. I turn on the power. I be Cornholio again. Okay. And then I go over here. And then I win. Okay, maybe that's the intended solution. It honestly seems a little weird for a Zach level. I'm going to record it right now locally. Okay. Here we go. Actually, before I do that, let me do the test playback that already exists and see if it looks like that. Someone's thinking. Thinking, okay. Okay. And then unthinking, and then, okay. Okay. This looks totally desynced now. No surprise. This is not going to give us any information whatsoever. Okay, so let us record. Easy clap. Let me actually record the test. I could have done that at the same time, but I didn't. Should have. Okay. Boom. I will, before I forget, I will send the email. Why do I not get renamed? What is wrong with Windows, dude? Is this the right file? Here we go. All right. Let me upload this to the dump box. I'm going to make a website called dumpbox.com. But maybe the point was just to undo the verticality with another purple beam. I don't totally not like it, just wanting to ensure this is correct. Okay, copy link. Link's awakening. And we can go to the URL of Sandwich and view the video off the internet. This is the magic of the internet, everybody. You just click the play button and you see what you already know that I did. Who would have thought decades ago that such majesty... Look, it even plays the video at a totally inconsistent fucking frame rate and everything. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay. Actually, it's really not too bad that we managed to do all this stuff despite how frickin' broken. The information superhighway is amazing. It is amazing. It is pretty amazing. Okay, let's maybe do a couple more. I kind of want to do a longer level just to see if it works. So the sort of bane and fear of level recording for a long time has been that longer levels are kind of fucked. Now that said, I actually don't want to do that because I literally just said that we might change running speed and I hope that doesn't break things. So you know what? I'm not going to do that yet. Let's do some smaller levels first. Okay. Okay, wait, recycling. I like literally just did that one. Except I maybe didn't because I exploited the level. Oh yeah, because I wanted to fit, yeah, okay. Outrun is the one we just did. What's mirror spiral v2? Oh, this one. I don't like this level. I'm sending an email saying, mirror spiral v2. Should we just delete this level? When I made the original one, it was going to be a cool thing about how you go further and further out on a spiral. That didn't totally work. I tried to fix it, then I think you tightened it up a little bit. And now it is just a kind of random level that is a little hard and has no other redeeming value. I would prefer to just cut stuff like that from the game since the game is so big. I'm pretty sure this was my level originally. Let me make sure I'm not being Joe Biden about it. It says Zach. I think because he just totally redesigned it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. Or am I misremembering the history of this level? Let me see. Mirror spiral. Yeah, this was my cool thing. Has no other clear redeeming value. All right. BCM is sending me emails. Like, come on, guys. Close call. Anyway, so you see with this level, how if you have a level shaped like this, it's like, oh, there's an idea here. And in fact, the idea was about getting the stone further and further out. It's like the stone starts on the inner spiral, and you're getting it out. And I don't remember what this was about, but like, yeah, you know. And it didn't end up being this idea anymore. And so what's the point? What's the point? Can the redo menu display pre-recorded saves? I mean, you could stop the save in the middle and show it. Yeah. We don't have an ergonomic way of doing that right now, but you could. Okay, let's look at other levels, because I don't want to do that one. Now my question is, how do somebody link to the current VOD? Please, I don't know how to do that. Look at all the mirrors. There's too many. Transaction Jackson. All right. Wow, we've been going an hour and a half already. What? I can't get it to... Oh, do I have it set? I'm setting it at 0.25x because that's what I did like a month ago. I'm just making sure I didn't leak all my email correspondence. I think I did, but I'm not sure. Maybe not. Okay. Anyway. Let me try to solve this level. Because last time I tried to solve it, I found a very easy exploit. And I was like, bro. Okay, so obviously I could do this, right? I can go shboop, shboop. Okay. And now the problem is, by the time I get down here, it's way too late for me to block the stone. So that's cool. I like how clear that is. I do feel like stylistically, if we're going to do this, we just have the ocean coming in from a long way. Okay, cool. Now, so obviously I need to get the stone to go somewhere. And there's only two mirrors that could pick it up. And one of them probably puts it somewhere that I don't want. So if I reflect with this mirror, it's going toward the thing. So, you know, we're 5 squares out going toward the center line, which means if I reflect it here, I'll show you, it'll be just off the island there, which maybe we don't. Let's put it way, well, no, because that's too far. Let's put it there. All right, so now if I do this thing, we get that, right? Now we could be more squares out. In fact, I think we do want to be, because the problem is we need to pick it up with another mirror. By the way, the stone's still too fast. That's my #1 problem in the world, is the stone is too fast. Okay, so the next mirror, there's only one that it could be, because it's going to be north of the island. So we have to pick it up with this one. In fact, we're going to have to do a SIC 360. I don't know why this level isn't called SIC 360. Okay, it should be. So it's going to be going away from the center line up there, which means it's going away down here. There's only one mirror. Oh, no. We can't do it because it'll be bouncing south, right? Which means we're going to try to bounce it this way, like certainly off the level. I don't know. What if we do it the other way? Okay, this is away from the center line. No, because that means the first teleport is going to be trash. What? What? Let's just do it. I want you to hit me as hard as you can. So we're going to go here. See, even that's like frickin' off the screen. See that? And the problem is, I'm trying to put it in the wall now. And then, even if I don't put it in the wall, even if I teleport it way off the screen, right? Like I could put this like here. And so it'll be going down toward the center line. It'll reflect this way toward the center line. I mean, I could do this and have like one fucking square to do it. I don't like what I'm seeing here. Bullet time. Okay, so the problem there is we are too far. But it has to be there. I mean, maybe. Okay, you know what? So the top mirror is causing us problems by being so far. So if I do this, and then I do this, let's give it one more just for, let's see where that goes. Boop to whoop. Okay, that's kind of reasonable. Still a little bit far. Okay, but then, okay, this could be like up here. And then this could be down here. Okay. Shboop, 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 shboop. Okay, that's fine. It's in the wrong place. Okay, it's not fine. Oh, I get it. Oh, this level is cooler than I thought. All right. So if we move this too, it'll be in the right place. Now the problem is one loop-de-loop is not long enough. Okay? But that's fine. That's what makes the level cool, is this is now a cycle. It's now like the light cycles in Tron, except a different kind of cycle. See, like shboop, 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 shboop. Okay, that's cool, Zach. I think it's cool. Shboop, 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 Spoop. 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 Okay, I didn't record that because I was figuring it out. But let me see what he had in mind. Okay. His looks theoretically nicer, although I don't understand. Okay. So like I'm going to send him an email about I'm going to send him an email about this one. So it's like, okay. So no, don't turn on high contrast. Why is there so much crap in Windows now? There should be one key that is the I want to get the assistance, whatever you call it, ability, the ability key for people with abilities. And then that opens up all sorts of other things, right? And then you can put as much as you want in there. Like right now, they probably have to not put as much as they want because everything takes up weird key combos. Okay, what is this level called? Run the clock. Run the clock. I was re-recording the test for this, and I think it is a very cool level, but the solution I found was possibly more messy than intended. It looks from the older recording like you wanted it to be something like this, but maybe that was recorded before the modifications. Pretty sure the wall on the south side of the island makes solutions of this general shape untenable. Here is what I did. Feels a lot more messy, especially because I have to teleport the stone into ocean that is way off the screen to the south. Maybe that's why you put the wall there, but it is still possible and is in fact the first solution, first and only. Dude, I'm trying to type this while the game's running and like Gmail is lagging all to crap. And only solution I found. Colon. Now let me reconstruct what my thing was. What stops you from pushing this stone? Nothing stops me from pushing this stone. I was a worm in the night, and cold as a stone I was. Okay, what did I do? I did this, okay, and then I did this, and then I did like over here somewhere, like that. Let's see. Shboop de whoop. Shboop. 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 Oops. Shboop. Shboop. Why did I double? Oh, that's another bug. It's unhelpful that I cannot see the thing. Okay, that is one square off. So I mean, we do this, right? Shboop. 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 Okay, I'm still recording, so I'm going to finish the level out. Dang it. I keep getting the wrong timing on that one. Okay, print screen. Having two mirrors, one square apart, which they must be for this solution, makes it very hard, makes it very clumsy to try not to teleport too soon via the wrong mirror, since the stone is off the screen. This specific problem could be fixed by having the lily embarkment square protrude just one square to the left of the island, giving the island, etc. But I am not going to tweak that, since maybe you want this level to work in the other direction, question mark. Actually, now that I have sent that, let me see if he put any design notes in the level. I'm not used to looking for these. All right, design note. Nope. Okay. Let's, as we like to do, let's have some fun in the sun. Fun, fun, fun in the sun, sun, sun. I never know what colors to make things. You know, it's just fun times. Why do I have no colors? What happened there? It's just fun times. Yeah. That's kind of a nice color, honestly. Honestly. Okay, so this is going to be like a, I don't know. And then this is going to be like a, oh no, it's not going to be like that. It's, okay. It's just a little easier on the eyes. You know what we should do? I should have, if I was a good programmer, I would have added a little color randomization into each quad just to give us a little bit of a mottled look by default. Okay. It's just a little easier on the eyes. That's all. Boop. Look at me trying to teleport the thing the right way, and then I adjusted the distances. It is a really cool level. I hope we can come up with a cleaner solution. It's dope. I mean, the 4 mirrors look scary, but it's pretty easy to understand and figure out. Can't you flop the rock from left to right using combo? The rock? Flop the rock. Oh. That's an interesting point. That is an interesting point. So, like, what if we do this, for example? You think that was the original solution? I don't know. Because the problem is it gets closer every time. Right? And there's no way with this kind of setup to increase the distance again. Why does the old solution not work? Well, there were like walls in the way and stuff, right? Oh, maybe not. Oh, wait, let me try the old solution. Because maybe, right, maybe it's a double. Okay. I didn't look carefully enough at that. So let's just try this. Like that. Okay, so he's using it in 2 pairs. Oh, these are the wrong mirrors. He's using it in 2 pairs to get more distance. That's really less cool than going a SICK 360. That's why the level is not called SICK 360, guys, because it's not a SICK 360. Okay, that doesn't work at all. I don't know. Oh, it must be the other one is first. Oh, dude! I got hosed by the thing. All right, it's fine. We can do this. It's on my list to solve that one today. All right, so it must be the top one first. Okay. Boom. Boom. I see. Okay. Yeah, people aren't going to figure this out. People are not going to figure this out. Okay. Clearly, I did not look at the intended solution enough. It was just a timing problem. But I don't think people are going to figure out this solution. It is pretty subtle to use these mirrors in pairs to do a 180. The four-fold symmetry of the level much more directly suggests four separate teleports. Okay. So that is my thoughts on this. I think the level should be revised. I'm going to put a note. Messy. This is design bug. This level has a solution. The more obvious that most players will do, that involves four separate teleports instead of the intended two sets of 180-degree teleports. Did I put my parentheses? Yeah. This makes the level a lot messier than intended. I also think the cool part of the level is just keeping the stone going for a long time. So maybe it should be designed as four separate teleports with more space around the island. It'd be simpler. I also think this level obviates the need for some other levels I made, like hold, so maybe one should be deleted. It is pretty messy itself. Okay, that is what we think about that, but at the very least, we do have a recording that passes now. Could block the ability of the rock with a wall at the bottom. Well, yeah. So the rock, you're saying it could go one square and hit another wall. I just don't see that that makes the level better. Like forcing it to be a 180 doesn't really make the level better. The cool part of the level is keeping the rock going. And in fact, I think it's cooler to do SICK 360s, actually. I think SICK 360s are awesome. What if those were two levels? That's a good point. That's a good point. Totally blocked. There can be more wall segments just south of the lily, and you have to figure out the 180. I think the cool part of the level is keeping the stone going indefinitely. So letting people do that without having to grind on a harder solution until part 2 might be the way to go. God, I'm typing and like the characters are coming out. So Elon Musk needs to buy Gmail, is what I'm saying. Elon Musk needs to buy Gmail. I'm going to go tweet that. Okay. Dude, it's so slow. What is going on? Do I have something else? Is Deng Xiaoping using, well, of course OBS is using all the GPU to do its thing. Discord has 97 processes. That's great. Microsoft malware protection, I'm sure that's really helping me a lot. Desktop window manager compositing is using 20% of the GPU. Why? Maybe that's part of OBS. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's go back to the list of levels. Levels. What was Implausible Bridge 2? I feel like I looked at that and that wasn't a thing. What about Sunk Cost 2? Oh, this level. This level is kind of broken. Right? Does this have a design note? No. Let's try solving it. So I believe I was able to solve it with only 3 stones or something like that, because you know, I can go here, I could go on this dude's head, I don't know, like so we could put a stone on his head, right? Actually, we don't need that yet. So if I do this, wait, why do I need both? That's not. That's not at all necessary. Right? Anyway, I don't even know what I'm trying to do. So I want to be on his head, actually, with a stone there. Okay, here's what we could do. I don't even remember what the solution is supposed to be. We push there. Okay. And then we do that. We do that. I don't know. I don't remember. Actually, this is actually cute. But I thought there was an exploit for this level. Oh, now, see, now this stone is hosed. I did a badge. But what can happen is if I do this, right? Maybe OBS is accidentally recording. It says it's not recording. It says it is not recording. Do I believe it? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So if I have a guy on this dude's head, right? Plus a stone on top of this stone, then that's kind of Jeej, right? Now, I think I can achieve this. Possibly. Possibly, maybe, probably, no. I don't know. Maybe by doing the following. Okay. And then okay. 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 I don't think this is the intended solution. Oops. Okay, let's just record that. Let's get a cleaner recording. Let's go. Okay. Boom. And then we will go note instantiate design bug exploit. Pretty sure the recorded solution is not the intended one, but is it that much worse. Maybe the idea of this level can be focused down. Let's make it purple. Yes, queen. All right. There we go. That's quite nice. Let's witness the power of this fully armed and operational level solution. That was what? Sunk cost 2. How can you make your code be like that? Also, stop using Unity Game Engine. That's my ride. Okay. This perspective is a little weird. It's fine. So I need to get to the other island to do some things. So I do this. I need to get there. Okay. Now I need to... I mean, I need so many things in life. Let's not even kid. But one of the things I need is to push this stone over there. Okay, so now I want to get on the lily pad, and I can't do it. The shape of this left island means I cannot do it from there. So I must do it from here, and I'm just going to say that's probably, yeah, that's good. Okay, so what I really want, tell me what I want, what I really, really want. I want to be able to get there pretty fast. So basically, I want to walk up to one of these two squares, all right? Which I will have time to do. It's fine. I go there. I go there. Oh, wait. No, 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 no. Right. No, 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 no. I goofed because I need to get on the lily pad, not on the other island. What am I talking about? I don't even know how to play video games. All right, so I need to get on the lily pad, which is going to mean something like this. It's 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I do that. It's a very nice level. Okay, so we just record this puppy and we're good. I actually want to do a little bit because I just like it. I just like it. Let's do like a little bit of like a spectrum. Oh. Hang on. These are the same island. Okay. So we're going to go there to there. See? It's just a rainbow. It's just a rainbow of flavors. Okay. Record. What did we do? We did something. That's fine. It's pretty casual what we do here. Dude, I could have gone further than ever before. Boop. Easy clap. I mean, while we're on islands, let's save some colors and apply some frickin' colors. Boy, look at the lighting on this level. Is that in this list? It is. We had 2 consecutive levels. Okay, I kind of get this one. So we need to stop the lily using this stone. But like, okay. And then I was a worm in the night. Cold as a stone I was. So we want the mirror to be here. And I need to be able to recover the mirror. Okay, this, I don't quite know how to solve the whole level. Okay, look. So I put the stone here. I can now kick the lily up. It'll stop at the stone. I could even put it one to the north of where it is, I think. Right? Let's do that just for maximum. Now we can get to both rows of that island. Or the latter one, whatever. Okay, so now the problem is I need to get on the lily pad. I mean, I guess. So, no. The problem is I need to get, after kicking this lily, right? I need to get over to this island. I need to recover the frickin' stone. Okay? Now, I need to make the lily go. And I need to get on it. And that seems really hard. Like I could push the stone and then run up and teleport. Is that even possible? No. No, who are you kidding? And I can't push it sideways. That's why the magical Blockmeister is there. So, what are good resources to learn game development? The good resources is stop puttering around and go make stuff. That's the good resources, please. Please. Literally nobody ever asked this question in the 1980s. They just went and did stuff. Figure out how to draw a square and move it around on the screen with WASD. Go from there. That is excellent advice. That is, in fact, exactly how the fuck I learned how to program video games. Excellent advice. Best advice ever to come from Twitch chat. Any good resources for questions on game design? What do you mean by questions on game design? What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, so obviously this level is trying to be tricky. The thing is, if I push the stone onto the thing, I can't go on the thing anymore. Oh, right. But if it's one side, remember when I said, oh, I could put it up there? I don't want to put it up there. I simply don't want it up there. I want it here. And the reason I want it there is because now when we stop the lily here, it's going to graze this island. It's going to graze the island. It's going to graze the island. Just lovingly, grazingly, full pasteurized grazing, right? I probably can make it, right? So, oh no, I can't make it there. I have to go down here. Shoop. Shoop. Okay, I dig it. I dig it. Let's record this. Let's record the Discord. Boop. Boop. It's pretty cool that you can make a level this interesting with such minimal elements. And of course we know that. It's like what we're doing here. We're frickin' professionals, right? But it's still cool. It's still cool, man. That is an A+ level design. I tell you what. Okay, so that was emergency brake. How about endpoint trouble? Actually, let's just check. Okay, that was fine. You get an A+ in my game design class if you design that level. Or A. You get an A. That's not like the ultimate magic, but it's good. It's good. Okay, so now, this is, wow, look at this. I see that I need to block the purple beam, and yet I cannot block the purple beam. I can get over there and push it. So that is my thing, and I need to push it to places where I can get out and do stuff. So for example, boop, boop. Okay. Boop. Oh, that wasn't a good boop. That was not a good boop. See, it's already a tricky level. I already just jumped into the bottomless pit. Okay. But we do this. We go here. Okay. Now, maybe there. No, because we go back. It's like, no, that's not a good boop. Is it? Is it a good boop? Because now I could push it north and west, like Kanye's kid's name. Like, I kind of want to push it I want to push it here and then like get on the left side of it. So if it were one square left of where it is, I would be fine. So I imagine we're going to use all this other territory in the level, but let's actually try to make a plan. What am I trying to do? Okay, so the problem is I can't push it left if I push it south. Because then I have to beam to it to be on the other side. So it's like a dead end in the level, I feel like. I feel like once I get here, it's no good. But maybe this lets me do something else. Like, I don't know, like I could go here, right? That's a new boop review. That doesn't help me though. In fact, it's the opposite. This is a very bad place for this rock to be, actually. Right? Because I can't, you know, if I could do anything with it. Okay, let's look at it this way. Where could I push it to here from? Well, if it's here, I could teleport onto the button, push it left, right? If it's here even, I can't because I'm in this cul-de-sac, right? So it's got to be here or here. How do I get it to either of those places? I push it from the right. So I push it from either here or here. As we've said, this seems like a really difficult place because if I teleport into that right-hand side, I can't push it left. All right. To get it here from not here, it would have to be here, and then I can't push it south. So the level is completely impossible, QED. Actually, if I could push it left one from where it is, which I could have been in that situation before. Then well, I still can't push it anywhere because the beam, see, I can't get back unless the beam, oh wait, what, am I high? Am I high? What am I talking about? You just, oh yeah, right, because when I'm here I can't push. That's sort of the issue. Sort of the issue. Just can't push left from here. But again, the only thing I'm thinking is the purpose of this is to use it to restage the rock Holio to somewhere it couldn't have been. What if it's there? Okay. So now, oh, whoops. Now I can actually, you know, whoops, I just launched myself to my death. It's no big deal. Now I actually Oh, no, that doesn't help me do anything. Oh, wait. Yeah, because I could push it back here. Okay. Yeah, I kind of don't feel like this is that good of a level. Maybe that wasn't the intended solution. I don't feel like this is as good as how complicated it is. Let me see what is recorded again, because maybe there's something cooler that it is meant to be. Okay, so we push the rock Holio. And he fell off. And then the undo kicked in. All right, let me just record this. And I'll leave a design note that says like, bruh, I don't get it. Okay, record my schmord. Boop, boop, boop. Wait, why did I even do that, right? Because we just want it here. Is that right? Oh, because we needed to move it off the line. Right, so you use this to move it up and then move it. Oh. To there. No. You schmoove it to here. Right, the whole point is you need it to not be on a line where it's going to F with you. Annihilator. Okay. Design. Exploit. This level just seems maybe not interesting enough for how complicated it is, question mark. Or maybe it's an exploit. See the recorded solution. Design bug, maybe. Maybe. I feel like it's not really a bug. Why are we not? Why are we not getting the color? Literally, what is happening right now? I can't even right now. I'm selecting this. Close the color panel. Let's just close it. Open it. Orange. It's not doing it. Bro. Oh, now it's doing it. What? Okay. Okay. Just gonna kind of be bright orange. In the dark. It's fine. Actually, you know what? Let's try making it alpha. Oh, look how bright that is. In fact, let's try making it 10. Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't think that's an exploit. I think just this level just isn't that cool. I mean, it's just some Sokoban shit. Maybe it's fine. It's Sokobaning, right? That's what Sokobans. It's how Sokobans are. You push the thing around. Endpoint trouble. Okay. Launch and collect. That's, oh, the level. Level. Whoa. Yeah, okay. So this seems kind of straightforward. Except wait. Yeah. So we go there, we teleport it. Okay, he pushes it back. We're all good. Here we get tricky. Easy clap. Same here. Okay, this is fun. I kind of wish. This. I mean, that's a little tight, right? That's a little tight. Dude, everything about the web is terrible. Why are you asking me about one particular detail that happens to be terrible? Everything about it is technically just awful and embarrassing. So I don't know what you're... Why focus on HTTPS specifically? Okay. So we got that one. Run the clock we did. Scrape off has a maybe an issue. Set up contraption. Oh, this one. Whoops. I don't really like this one. I don't want to do it right now. I'm getting hungry too. Skipping around. It's almost 1 p.m. No wonder I'm getting hungry. I only had ice cream for breakfast. Okay. So oops. This level, again, the frickin' stone skipping is too damn fast. Like anything where you're expected to hit mirror timing. Okay. So basically, the thing that happens here, I want to do in reverse by 1 square, which I think is probably here. Right? Shboop, shboop, boop. There we go. I didn't record that, dude. That's a cute level. Okay, record. Shboop, shboop. Okay. Shboop, shboop. Easy clap. Oops. Wrong level. Okay, clean. Oh, this one's exploitable. Level is broken. All right. I remember this one because I solved it before. It was broken. Wide ocean. Oh my goodness. Okay. If I, for example, do this, right? Boom. We need 4 more squares than that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I need to do that while I still have the stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Boom, boom. No, that's 4 the wrong way. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Do we not have enough? We need 3 more squares. How do I get 3 more squares? Maybe by going a different way. I can get 1 more. Watch, this is kind of squinky. Oh no, it's not going to work. Ugh. Q panel. Why is that making a thing? I don't know. Anyway, we're going to have to debug that separately later. So I feel like I have to use a mirror twice to get more distances. All right. What do we do? Let me just see the solution so far, because it's probably just timing. Okay. It's you know, I'm getting hungry. So we're doing this. Oh, I see. That's like, how am I supposed to frickin' do that? Oh, I could launch it. So if I do this, no. That's fucking stupid, dude. That's too hard. It's too hard. It is, the rent is too damn high. And I can't fucking get out of the way. Hold on. Before, let's just see if there was some other trick to getting out of the way. No, he literally just like pushes it and gets out of the way. All right, I'm just going to design bug this. Design bug. Pretty much unplayable. Cute idea, and we should do it, but it needs massive tuning. Massive tuning. Okay. That might be enough for now. It might be time for me to take a break. How many level tests did we record? Oh, there's also the code change that we didn't check in, right? Let's do these one at a time. Record a bunch of level tests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now the problem is I have a no check-in in resolve, and I'm just going to, okay. So we fix that one. And this one, we're just going to visit later today. Okay. Commit. Buffering of entity creations in move transaction, so we can be more transactionally correct. Dang it, someone's working on the game. Oh, it's just light maps. So SVN has maybe somebody did check in and change that file. There's so many files. But SVN has like a nearly intolerable thing. Oh, this is because Adrian changed the mesh parameterization. Oh boy. Oh boy, what a change. What a good time for me to check in a ton of files, because I was going to check in updated Nexus shots. Wow. Oh, and then we got audio. Oh, it's just so many files now. Oh, and we did merge. Okay. Okay, I dig it. I swear sometimes SVN claims there's a conflict in a file that was not modified. But this time I think we're fine. All right. Buffering of entity creations in move transactions so we can be more transactionally correct. Not sure why every company moved to that. A lot of serious companies do not use Git, in fact. Wait. Okay, that must be an edit from my laptop or something. My lappy tappy. That's just the level that I use to tweak things for my own purposes. Oh, but we're not checking that in anyway. Okay. And now we do the third check-in, which is tweaking a bunch of levels. Tweaking a bunch of levels. Added a mechanism for transactions to revert entity creations. So gameplay code. While composing a transaction. Okay, this is great. Boom, let's go. I think it's Miller time. I need to fix this skipping stone undo bug today. Oh, you know, as we sign off, I'm just going to generate the new Nexus shots so as I don't forget. Those are the screenshots that we show around the game when you're going to go into a level, so you know what level it is. Ah! Okay, well, it's an old executable. I have not recompiled. Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Do I dare try to raid somebody now? It is Sunday afternoon. I'm sure everybody's working hard on Sunday afternoon, right? What advice would I have for a solo developer who's very, very, very bad at art and can't afford hiring artists? Dude, there's a number of indie games with very bad art that have made millions of dollars. Like, holy crap, it's not even a question. So last night I was watching a streamer play Call of Duty after I signed off. And they were doing Duo's nuke attempt, not firing any bullets. And they got 5 out of 5 wins. Then they got 6 out of 6 wins because they couldn't do the nuke because there were too many stream snipers. And then they tried to do the nuke and they died. It was very sad. Touche. There's no touche. Like, that's just a fact. There's just tons and tons of indie games with low effort art that have made it very financially successful. GraphQL. 12-hour Extra Life charity game jam. Who does a 12-hour game jam? Maybe it's the charity part is a 12-hour drive. I don't know. Studying and chilling. Finalizing AST generation shader compiler C to Spear V. I mean, we could do that. It's a little bit depressing because I hate the proliferation of shader languages with a passion. It's fucking stupid. But it's probably interesting a little bit technically, right? More so than using Unity game engine. So let's do it. Oh my God, this guy uses 8 character tabs. Holy crap. All right, thanks everybody. See you later. I haven't seen 8 character tabs since the 90s.